saab olema hea tribüüt inglise keele anekdoodiga, aga New Rooster is... ma tahan ka sauna tulla.
Ja, ma kuulan ka.
New Rooster is in the farm and the old Rooster is coming to the new one and saying, oh, let's make a deal. We all want the chicks. And you want the chicks and I want the chicks. But let's make a deal that we fight in this little competition, and who wins, this one gets all these chicks. Okay, and this competition is let's run around this cave, or let's run around this kaev, no?
Well.
Okay. Let's run around a tree.
Okay.
Then around. Okay. And start, and they are running. The old rooster is on front, and the new one is running after him. And
ma ei mäleta algust, aga muidu on hea jutt.
Kuidas on giljotiini alla panev?
Put under guillotine.
Kurat, ma tean, kuidas on see butcher. Eesti keeles meeldib. Butcher is have a knife and oh, I buy new rooster and yet again it's pede. It's homosexual. I must kill him. And that's the end.
Ja.